Ever feel like your paycheck just isn't stretching far enough in 2026? With everything costing more, who couldn't use an extra $500 a month? Good news, you don't need a second full-time job. Stick around and I'll share 5 easy side hustles that fit right around your 9 to 5. No experience required. Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Wealth USA, where we make money simple, achievable, and empowering for regular Americans. I'm your friend, and if you caught my first video on budgeting, this is the perfect next step. Boosting your income without burning out. Our mission? Help you build smarter habits, grow savings, and create real financial freedom. One practical tip at a time. If you're new, subscribe now. Side hustles aren't just trends, they're necessities now. With inflation easing but costs still high, over 40% of Americans have one, per recent surveys. In 2026, remote gigs are exploding thanks to AI tools and apps making it easier than ever. Benefits? Extra cash for debt, savings, or fun, plus skills that could lead to bigger things. But myths hold people back. You don't need talent or tons of time. These ideas start small, 5 to 10 hours per week, and can earn $200 to $1,000. First up, freelance writing or content creation. If you can write emails or social posts, you're set. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Medium pay for blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions. In 2026, AI helps brainstorm, but human touch wins. Start by creating a free profile, offer $10 to $20 per gig, and build reviews. Earnings, $200 to $500 per month part-time. Pros, flexible, home-based. Cons, competition or PBUT. Niches like personal finance shine. Number 2, online tutoring. Got knowledge from your job or hobbies? Teach it on platforms like VIP Kid, OutSchool, or Skillshare. English, math, coding, even guitar. Demand's huge in 2026 with remote learning. No cert needed for most. Start with a webcam. Sessions, 1 to 2 hours per evening. Earnings, $15 to $30 per hour, so $300 to $600 per month. Pros, rewarding, scalable. Cons, scheduling around your job. Number 3, delivery or rideshare. Apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Uber let you earn on your schedule. In 2026, electric vehicles and bonuses make it more profitable. Work evenings/weekends, 10 hours per week. Earnings $15 to $25 per hour after tips/gas, netting $400 to $800 per month. Pros, instant pay, no boss. Cons, wear on car, but tax deductions help. Number 4, selling handmade or digital goods. Etsy for crafts or Gumroad/Teachable for printables like planners or ebooks. 2026 trend. AI-designed graphics sell fast. Create once, sell forever. Start with phone photos, list for $5 to $20. Earnings, $100 to $500 per month passive after setup. Pros, creative, low ongoing effort. Cons, initial time investment. Number 5, pet or house, sitting via Rover or trusted house sitters.
Yes, you are.
Love animals. Watch pets while owners travel, fits
You're
weekends.
Such a good dog.
In 2026, post-pandemic travel boom
Yes, you
means
are.
steady gigs. Background check, then $20 to $50
such
per
a
night.
good dog.
Earnings, $200 to $700 per month.
Yes, you are.
Pros, fun, flexible. Cons, responsibility,
Such a good dog.
start local. Quick tips. Track earnings in your budget from video 1. Set aside 20 to 30% for taxes. Use apps like QuickBooks. Avoid burnout. Cap hours. Test one hustle first. Scale what works. Common pitfall. Scams. Stick to verified apps. There you go. 5 side hustles to boost your income in 2026 without quitting your job. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every view as we build this community. If this sparked an idea, like the video, subscribe for more, and comment, which hustle will you try first? Grab the free side hustle starter checklist in the description. Next, investing basics for beginners. You got this. See you soon.